Today, you will learn how to delete resolved comments in Word. When a comment has been addressed, it can be marked as resolved, but it is not automatically deleted from the file. Resolved comments usually appear faded or show a resolved status, depending on the version of Microsoft Word you are using. To delete a resolved comment, simply click on the resolved comment to select it. Once it is selected, go to the Review tab and look for the Delete option in the Comments section. Click the Delete button and the resolved comment will be permanently removed from the document. Repeat the same process for any other resolved comments you want to delete. If your document contains many comments, you can save time by using the Delete menu. Click the small arrow below the Delete button and you may see additional options such as deleting all comments in the document. If you found this video useful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.